Are you looking for a way to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your own home? If so, Metro Opinion might be just what you need. This website provides an online platform for users to share their opinions and feedback about various products and services, and in return, users can earn rewards such as gift cards and cash prizes. In this video, we'll explore ways you can earn money with Metro Opinion, so, if you're ready to start earning some extra cash, let's dive in. Welcome back to another video from Money Access YouTube channel. Before go to the video, make sure subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Also don't forget to comment below your thoughts. Let's go to the video. MetroOpinion.com is the website today we are going to explore, and this is a paid surveys, earn money online, work from home. So, you can literally get up to $5 for each survey. And guys, this does depend on what country you are from, which we will go into in a second. Now, there's a safe and easy payment. Now, we can go down here. It says, how to earn with paid surveys in 3 easy steps. So, they'll literally show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can start earning with these paid surveys. Step number 1 is sign up. It says, everyone can join. It is easy to sign up, and it only takes 30 seconds. And I will show you this entire registration process. Step number 2, you will be invited to surveys via email. Answer honestly. Your answers are anonymous. And then number 3 is get paid when you reach the payment threshold. You can simply get paid with one click. Now, you can read some testimonials down here. They have testimonials, as I said, that you can just go through and basically read these. And then we get a little bit more information down here. Now, I'm not going to read out this entire thing because that would be long. But just to brief this quickly, they say they've optimized their software to find the most relevant surveys for you. And the more relevant these surveys are, the more money that means you can make. Now, the way they find out relevant service for you is they're basically like ask you a few questions about like what you do, where you live, what you're into, this and that. And they will give you different surveys based on the answers you give. So, for example, if you were a businessman lives in USA, you're going to get very different quizzes and very different questions from a businessman who lives in the UK. They then say when they find the perfect survey for you, they'll send you an invitation via email. So, it's important that you register with their legit email address, guys, so these don't get lost. And if you do not participate, when invited, the invitation will go to another member of this website. Now, they said payment is easy, and we get a little bit more information about this down here. So, these are the ways that you can actually get paid on this website. Number 1, PayPal. Of course, this is the main way that I think everybody is going to get paid. When you reach the payment threshold, you can withdraw your money in one click. Make sure that your email address on Metro Opinion is the same one you use for PayPal. So, guys, if you have a PayPal account already, make sure you know what the email is. Go and double-check the email on that PayPal account and make sure you sign up to Metro Opinion with that same email address. Now, if you don't yet have one, of course, go and create one. But the most important thing is you need to make sure you sign up to Metro Opinion with the same email. Otherwise, well, you won't get paid, I guess. Number 2 is vouchers. Vouchers are popular, and many users prefer them. You can spend them online or in a store. They are easy to use and fast to receive. Vouchers are available in most countries on Metro Opinion. Then finally, we have donations. So, donating your earnings to a good cause is a great idea. We have the option for you to donate the money. In the dashboard, you can see and choose who will get your donation. So, scroll down a little bit more right here. Nothing really important in this section in my opinion. But then we come down to how much can you actually earn, which I'm pretty sure you guys will be very interested in, so you will get paid for every survey you participate in, of course, and it is a solid side income. At Metro Opinion, we make it very easy to work from home by doing surveys. We have some of the best surveys on the market, and you can see what you will earn in every survey invitation, so you are not going into this blind. Guys, they are literally going to show you before every survey how much you will get paid, so you can choose if you think that is worth it for you to take the survey. Now, you can do this on your desktop, your tablet, or your smartphone, so if you're like waiting for the bus, if you're on the bus, if you're doing this or that, you will be able to answer and make money with Metro Opinion no matter where you are in the world, as long as you have a device with an internet connection. So, guys, we can actually go ahead, and where it says sign up and start earning, let me go ahead and sign up, and I will show you guys how easy this is. The first thing that we need to do is actually choose a country right here. Now, as I said, guys, this does depend on what country you are from, so you can go ahead and select, so make sure you select the correct country, and then we can go ahead and click start here. So, what we can do is enter email, a password, confirm the password and all of that good stuff. So, let me go through and enter this. Once that is all entered, guys, we can go ahead and click register, and boom, just like that, it says you're one step closer to earning. As soon as we find the right survey, you will receive an invitation to participate. So, if I just head over to my emails, you can see right here that we get an email from Metro Opinion. So, if I go ahead and confirm my account, you can see right here we are taken to this screen. Now, we do have a button to increase your income, so go ahead and click this, and this is going to take you over to another server side. It is completely up to you guys if you want to go ahead and sign up for this, but this video is about Metro Opinion. So, I'm not going to go through and really talk about this website. Now, another thing that we can do is rather than waiting for these emails just to come through and hope we get one that kind of fits us, we can actually click where it says log into your profile here. We can actually click this and sign into the account we just created. And once we have logged in, guys, you can see that we are taken over to a bunch of surveys here, where we can literally start earning straight away. That is right, guys, for some reason, this is like, we will email you, but if you go ahead and log into your account, there is already a bunch of service here that you can go ahead and take. So we can see, like 6 minutes for 40 cents and basically so many servers that we can go ahead and take 15 minutes for 80 cents and they are really, really awesome. Now, you can see right here that if we go through and answer all of these questions, this is going to really niche down at the amount of service that we can get. It's going to give us more surveys and on top of that, it is also going to increase the amount we can make. So for example, if we go into the household section right here, it says like, how many people are living in the household with you? And just watch this number at the top, guys, as I go through and answer this. So this is currently 37, but you just want to go through and answer as many of these as possible. And once these are answered, as I said, this is going to unlock a bunch more surveys. So you guys probably saw right there, it jumped up from, I think it was 27 to 37, and that is literally just from answering these questions. Right here is basically where you can cash out your money. So you can see I have $0 because I haven't actually answered any of the surveys yet. However, when I do, my money will show up here, and we can see how I can cash out. The main ways I can cash out in Amazon gift card, G-Codes, I'm not sure what this actually is, or PayPal. So I would probably go for PayPal right here. And you can see the minimum account threshold. If I went on here and I entered all of these surveys, I would definitely get over $12.50 for all of these. Guys, take all of these surveys right here, and then make money in the exact same day that I signed up for this website. So it is an absolutely awesome website to sign up to, guys, and that is how you can make money with Metro Opinion. From everything that has been said, you will be aware that bringing in cash online is extremely simple. You simply need the follow right data, and you will rack in heaps of cash day to day without stress. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click on that notification button, so that you will get the latest money-making tips next time I post a video. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.